can't tell from the title, today is the long-awaited dorm tour. If you would like to see this, like what my room looks like, just keep on watching. First, I just want to thank you guys for 51 subscribers. That's a big milestone for me. My goal is to get 100 subscribers by the end of September. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and again, just thank you so much. Okay, let's get to the video. Here's the door, so when you walk in. And when you walk in, you have the little kitchen area. I have my broom, my little garbage pail, my keys, my house shoes, some sneakers that are drying off. Right here is where I have all my bowls and everything. And then I have some dish detergent, trash bags, paper towels. Here's my table. This is where I keep my backpack. And then over here is the fridge, microwave. And then in here, I have snacks and dishes and my multiple name tags that I use as magnets. This is a wardrobe. This has just a bunch of stuff in it, some bags, my extra Walmart bags. And then this is the little living room area. Here's a desk. So I just have a couple awards that I've gotten. This sign, let your faith be bigger than your fear. That's always good to have. A little S. And then I just have some stuff in there. Have a throw pillow, blanket, my little ottoman that has a bunch of crap in it. This little unicorn, I forgot her name, but my friend gave it to me, so she stays right there. Have a blanket, a taro towel, go Pittsburgh. If y'all ain't know. And then my view is a little tragic. So I just have some pictures, nightstand. Then I need to add some pictures to that. And then this is an overview of the bedroom. It's my favorite part. I love my mirror, especially since it's gold. A little outfit of the day. Have a rug. My throw blanket, this is so soft. Oh my god. This is my comforter. I got this lamp. I got this from Five Below. It's my two little fake flowers. I have great lighting in here. I love it so much. And over here, I have clothes. These are like undergarments. This is all t-shirts. You get a lot of t-shirts in college. This right here is more t-shirts. This drawer is like hard to open for some reason. And then I have my jeans and jean shorts. In this drawer, I have my workout clothes and just lounge clothes. And then here I have t-shirts, crop tops, tank tops, more like nicer shirts, I guess. Then this is my little air freshener thing. I love this little canvas art, Pray Continually. It's my TV. And over here at my desk, so I have my hats up here. Someone gave me that little dog a friend. Oh, I also have these lights. I don't know if you can see them when it's daylight out. Oh, you can kind of see them. So that looks really cute at nighttime above my bed. Over here I have my small goods, remote controls, glasses case, some earrings. This is my little jewelry holder. Up on this shelf, I have some jewelry containers, pencils and pens case. This I made at one of my programs last year and I love it so much. This is my Bible and my notes that I use for Bible study. Down here, I just have a mirror and then a little container with all lip products, powder, lip roller, some brushes, and then more stuff in there. And then over my chair, I just have my fanny pack and this TW bandana that I got when I was volunteering. And then down here, I just have some makeup, a little backpack, what's it called? What is it called? Dang. I can't. Tripod. That's it. My little tripod, some tape, and then under here, not a lot. Just have some old binders and notebooks and papers. A little trash can right there. We come into the bathroom. Just have my cleaning products. This stuff, towel. There's a shelf behind here. Toothpaste and all that stuff. And then on this cart, I just have, you know, hygiene products. And that's the shower curtain. And then I have two closets. This first closet I have my hamper, my shoes, and then just some of my clothes up there. And then in this, I just have more shoes, my ironing board, bath towels, more cleaning stuff, you know, a bag of extra hair, everybody got that. And then in these bins, I have scarves in here, and then a whole bunch of hair products. And then yeah, that's about it. So if you have any other videos that you would like to see, make sure to comment down below. Well, that wraps up this dorm tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.